Hello friends! Today we are going to learn how to work on front loop, FLO, and back loop, BLO. FLO means front loop only, and BLO means back loop only. And what is the front loop and what is the back loop? The one is closer to you is the front loop. The one is further away is the back loop. So when you see a pattern says front loop only, FLO, that means you're going to only work on this stitch all the way around. And when you see a pattern says BLO, that means back loop only. That means you're going to only work on this stitch all the way around. So at this round, we are going to work on front loop only, which is FLO. Normally, you will insert the stitch like this to make sure you have 2 loops on your hook. But now you only want the front loop, so which is this one. So I'm going to just make single crochet around. Just let me mark the stitch. Just simply single crochet around, only the front loop. So I only want the one closer to me. This is the front loop. Front loop only. Okay, this is a result of working on FLO, which is front loop only. And if you look inside, you will see the back loop, they're all here. And now we are going to work on the back loop only, BLO. So this time we're going to leave the front loop alone. We'll only be working on the back loop, which is the loop that is further away from you. Let's also single crochet around, but only work on the back loop. You see, we only work on the back loop only and leave the front loop alone. So you can just go ahead. I'll meet you at the end of this round. We're only working on the back loop. Okay, and this is the result of the back loop only. You can see the front loop, they're all here. And I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. For more Amigurumi beginners tutorial, you're very welcome to check out my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.
It's like a poem